Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and today I'm back to try the BTS Cold Brew Coffees. I literally have my Mart bag right here. It's really big because I got a really big snack. I just have these two coffees here. I really hate coffee, but anything for BTS. Anyways, I got Jungkook and Jimin because those are my two biases. As you guys can see, the bottles are so cute. They're really, like airbrushed, if that makes any sense. So yeah, check the roasting date. It was roasted on April 18th, and it's an Americano. I don't even think I've had an Americano because I don't like coffee, so I don't even venture far, okay? Oh. Okay, anything for BTS. Like, if I don't like this, it's going in the trash, but I guess at least I have their faces on a bottle. Aw, I really hate coffee. This is, like, probably my worst video. Well, actually, it doesn't taste as bad as I've had, like, really bitter latte before. Like, a hot, like, super hot, super bitter latte before. It almost incinerated my tongue. And this was for the cafe event for V's birthday. Like, I clearly ordered the wrong thing. I don't even know how to order coffee. And the fact that I'm just drinking it straight out with no straw bothers me so much right now. And I totally forgot to get a straw. So, yeah, I mean, I guess it's not that bad. Like, it's not a super bitter aftertaste. I feel like some coffees that I've had have really strong aftertaste, but this one is like okay. Also, I didn't say the price. It's $4.49. I think I'm gonna give this to someone who likes coffee because I clearly don't really want these to go to waste. Yeah. Oh, I didn't really show you guys Jimin, but here's Jimin. Oh, there's a little dust. I love their hair colors for these. But yeah, these were released a long time ago. I was just shook to find it. Because, I mean, I was talking to someone on Instagram. She's probably watching this video. Hi, you know who you are. But, yeah, I was talking to her. But she lives in, like a Korean town. And she found them there. And I was like, I got really excited because I thought she lived in the same city. But no, she doesn't. But I'm glad I found them now. But I do have to say that just now it was pretty negative. The coffee probably doesn't taste bad if you like coffee, obviously, but as someone who doesn't like coffee, I probably shouldn't even be buying this, so, like, you know where I'm coming from, right? Like, it's fine. I guess it's, like, pretty clean, and I would only continue drinking this if I had a straw, but I do not have a straw at home. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I hope my review didn't annoy you too much. It probably did. It's great, okay? It's great. I'm sure it's great if you like coffee. And it's definitely something really fun to collect, and I would totally get all the other ones and just give the coffee to someone else. I just can't afford to get all of them right now, just with everything that Big Hit has been releasing, from literally memories. You know Mustard's coming up, you know summer package is coming up. I definitely have to get the 6 Army membership because I'm trying to go to Mustard next year. There's a lot of stuff on my plate. And that's basically it for this review on the BTS Cold Brew Coffees by Babinski. So that's it. Bye everyone!